Janani. Today we are going to see experiments in nature. The observing clay pot. You will need plastic container, a pot and water. Place the pot in the container. Pour the water to the level of a finger in the plastic container. Now observe how water slowly rises into the clay pot wall and reaches to the top edge in about 2 hours. This means water can sometimes flow upwards. What happened? Fire clay is not from solid material. It has numerous small holes, almost like a sponge. Only the holes are much smaller. In these tiny holes, the water can slowly creep upwards because it has the need to fill of small openings even when they are above the water surface. The water adheres to the holes like glue and does not flow down again. The characteristics makes clay pots ideal for flower pots. Thank you.